Good day, welcome to Math Mastery. So last time we talked about arithmetic means, so now we will talk about geometric means. So we have these problems. Insert two geometric means between 3 and 24. So to know the second term and third term, so pakita ko na to ang common ratio. So we have 3. First term is 3, second term blank, third term blank, and the fourth and last term is 24. So mo yung kuan atong pangitaon ng i-substitute mo na itong formula. So a sub 1 is our first term, so equals 3, and our n is our number of terms, so we have 4, and e sub 4 is equals to 24, so we have 24, our last term 24. Then need na to pangitaon ang common ratio. So muna itong formula, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So substitute, so our n is 4, so we have e sub 4, and e sub 1 is our first term, so we have 3, then times r2, so our n is, we have 4 terms, so we have 4 minus 1, then minus, and then kuan, so substitute our last term no, so we have 24, so we have 24 equals, so nganong na r cube na lang kay gi-minus ang 4 minus 1 sa raised to 4 minus 1, so we have 3 r cube. So we find tong isolve ang r cube, so ato siyang i-divide both side by 3, so we have 3 r cube divide 3 and 24 divide 3, so we have 3 divide 3 no, so cancel out ang 3, so mabilin ang r cube. Then 24 divide 3, so we have 8. Then para mabala na tong common ratio, we simply cube both sides, so i-cube na tong r cube, so mabilin ang r, din ang 8, so we have 2, so atong common ratio is 2. So karon mabala na nato ang second term ug ang third term. So to know the second term, so we simply multiply the 3 by 2, and the next term is ato gyapon siyang i-multiply by 2, so testingan nato. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6, and 6 i-multiply po nato siya 2, so we have 12. So that's how we solve the 2 between, geometric means between 3 and 24.